We are now stocking 6x6 rough cut brackets on our Toja Grid website. These brackets are made to fit true 6x6 rough cut lumber. This lumber is rough to the touch, has straight edges, and measures a true 6x6 inches, as opposed to 6x6 dressed lumber, which is usually smooth to the touch, has rounded edges, and will traditionally measure a 5.5 by 5.5. Just to show you guys the size difference, I have a piece of dressed lumber, a piece of rough cut lumber, as well as a traditional and rough cut bracket here. With the dressed lumber, you can see I can put it into our traditional trio. Fits in there nice and snug. But when I take it and put it into the rough cut bracket, you'll see it leaves quite a bit of space. Now, when I take a piece of rough cut lumber and try to put that into our traditional trio, you'll see it's not fitting. However, it will slide nicely into our rough cut trio. One issue that you might run into with rough cut lumber is that because the edges are straight and not rounded, the welds on the inside of the bracket that are there for aesthetic purposes might interfere with the lumber sliding into the bracket easily. A pretty quick, simple fix to that is because the cavities are 9 inches deep, you just take your measuring tape at 9 inches, make a mark on the corner, and then if you have a piece of sandpaper or a little hand sander like this, and just kind of round out the corners. Pretty easily, pretty quick. And it'll fit in there nice and easy.